Mutualism is a type of interspecific interaction, so it is an interaction between individuals of different species. Mutualism is where both organisms gain a fitness benefit from an interaction with one another. Mutualism is a type of symbiosis. Symbiosis translates as living together, and it just means the long-term interactions between two or more different species who are in close proximity. Oxpecker birds have a mutualistic relationship with buffalo. The birds eat ticks and their larvae from the skin of buffalo. The buffalo is getting cleaned and the birds are getting food. Both species are gaining a benefit, and so this is an example of mutualism. Another example of mutualism is the interaction between zebras and bacteria. Zebras rely on some bacteria in their gut. The zebras benefit from the enzyme called cellulase that the bacteria produce. This helps them to break down their food. In turn, the bacteria benefit by having a stable supply of nutrients and by living in zebras' intestines.